Good morning, student. How are you? My name is Roshan. Today I will teach you Computer Class 4, Chapter 1, and chapter name is Input Output Storage Device. Before we start Input Output Storage Device, first we know what is hardware. Hardware is a component of computer. Means which part we can touch or feel are called hardware. So there are different type of hardware. First, input devices, output devices, and third one is storage devices. Now I will see in details. First is keyboard. What is keyboard? A keyboard is the input device that used to enter letter and numbers into the computer. There are different type of key on keyboard, like alphabets key, numeric key, arrow key, functions key. Now, second is mouse. What is mouse? A mouse is input device. A mouse is used to select object, open files and folders, point at, move object on a computer. When you move the mouse, pointer also move on computer. There are two type of button on mouse: left click and right click. Third one is the microphone. What is microphone? A microphone used to record a voice. This is also input device. Now, next is joystick. What is joystick? Joystick is for play game on computer. It is used to move object in a game. So where we use joystick? Joystick used in play game. Now next is a trackball. Trackball is also input device. A trackball can be used in place of mouse. It can be used to select object and open files and folders on a computer. So this is called trackball. Scanner. What is a scanner? A scanner used to scan photo or document into computer. That called scanner. Next is light pen. Light pen is also input device. It is mainly used to draw a picture on a computer. Now, next is a touch screen. A touch screen used to select objects and type letter using with finger. You can also use using it with finger. So these devices are input devices. Now, second is output devices. What is output device? Those devices the display result after processed are called output device. So different type of output device right here. First monitor, second is speaker, third one is headphone, fourth is printer, and fifth is projector. Now we will see one by one. Monitor. What is monitor? A monitor is the output device. It displays text, pictures on a monitor. It is also called video. Video means visual display unit. It's look like TV. There are different type of monitor like CRT, LED, LCD. So monitor is the output device. Now, second is speaker. What is speaker? Speaker is the output device. It is used to listen to music. Now, third one is headphone. Headphone is also output device. Headphone can be used in place of speaker to listen to music. So this is called headphone. Fourth is printer. Printer are used to print photo, document, etc. It is also called output device. Now fifth is the projector. A projector is used to display image on the white surface. Now, third one is the storage device. What is the storage device? The storage devices are used to store data into a computer. There are two types of storage device: internal storage device and external storage device. Internal storage device, example of hard disk, and external storage device, example CD, DVD, and pen drive. So now one by one discuss what is hard disk. A hard disk is a storage device. Hard disk places inside the computer. You can store large data into hard disk. That is called hard disk. Now next is a CD. CD stands for compact disc. A CD is the flat and round shape and shiny. It is stored data on the shiny part of the disk. Next is DVD. DVD stands for digital versatile disk. DVD looks like DVD look like CD. It is also used to store data. Now, fourth is pen drive. A pen drive is a small small device. It carry anywhere in the pocket. I hope you understood input device, output device, storage device. Now, see you in the next class. Thank you.